When you're just getting started with routing, it's hard to know which types of bits to choose. A great place to start is with a few bits for creating decorative edge profiles. These bits are easy to use because they all have a bearing that follows the edge of the board to guide the bit. One handy bit to have is a roundover bit. This bit rounds over a square edge to create a rounded shape that can simply soften a sharp edge or create a full rounded profile. Next is a COVE bit. It's the opposite of a roundover. It cuts a quarter circle recess into an edge. A chamfer bit comes next. This bit knocks a 90-degree edge down to a 45-degree angle. If you like the look of traditional furniture, you can find bits with more ornate profiles like this Roman OGEE. In just one pass, it creates a fancy decorative profile.